Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. This is John Watts, and I want to respond to a comment. And some of these comments that I'll be responding to in videos have just come in, and some I realize I'd either overlooked or I thought I'd typed a reply, but none is showing up. So sorry about that. But anyway, we'll look at this first one, White Blanco. And this was a comment on a video about basically, can a second debt collector sue you? And he says, thank you for responding to my first question. And then he got this letter. So this is in the middle of a lawsuit, and this is not from the state of Alabama. At least I've never seen anything like this in Alabama. But basically it's a letter from the plaintiff saying all the defendants have responded or have been handled in the case. So it might be dismissed, defaulted, otherwise disposed of. Case is ready to set for trial. I request that the CCR hearing or OSC regarding service hearing be vacated. So there was some hearing, and the plaintiff's lawyer, the collection lawyer, saying, Judge, we don't need that anymore. And then he's saying, I want the case management conference, CMC, to select a trial date. And then it says if everybody agrees on a date, they can submit that to the court. And so White Blanco says here, I don't know what this means. Well, first of all, I don't know exactly what it means either, but in Alabama, the comparable thing would be called a plaintiff's request for trial setting, or you could have the defendant requesting a trial setting. And it's basically what it sounds like. You say to the judge, hey, judge, I would like you to pick a trial date. Now, sometimes judges will just do that on their own, but a lot of times when you do that type of motion, the court will get everybody together, say, all right, let's everybody look at our calendars. How much time do we need? And sometimes that's called a status conference, a scheduling conference, a pretrial conference. Different judges use those terms kind of in different ways. But the point is you're there with the judge, and then she'll pick a date for you. And then you put that on your calendar, and that's what you have. So if you ever get something where you're in a lawsuit, obviously if you have a lawyer, get with your lawyer. But if you don't have a lawyer, look at the motion that's being filed. And you may be able to Google it. You can call the court, and just depends on who you get at the court. A lot of times they'll say, I'm sorry, I'm not allowed to give legal advice. Say, I understand. I'm just asking, what is this? But usually a motion will explain what it is. That's what a motion is. It's a written request to the court, and it'll say, here's what I want you to do, Judge. Here's why I want you to do it. And then let me remind you again, here's what I want you to do. So that's typically the pattern of a motion. So I would say on this, a request for case management conference is just to get the case moving to trial is all that's about. So appreciate that comment and question, and you guys keep the comments and questions coming, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.